To fix a Nest doorbell that's not ringing inside, there are several possible reasons to consider. These include a wire-free installation with a low battery charge, or incorrect time settings on the app. For a wired installation, the issue might be due to an incompatible doorbell system or problems with the doorbell wires. To address these issues, start by checking the battery charge if you have a wire-free installation. If the charge is low, plug in the battery using the provided USB-C cable. It's also essential to check the app settings. Open the app, go to the home screen, select the doorbell, and navigate to the settings to ensure the indoor chime is turned on. For a wired installation, verify that the doorbell is compatible with the system. If not, it may be necessary to upgrade the system, which should meet specific power requirements. 12 to 24 volts AC globally or 16 to 24 volts AC in North America. With a voltage of 8 to 40 VA globally or 10 to 40 VA in North America. And a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz. Alternatively, use an indoor power adapter during installation. To inspect the doorbell wires, access the breaker box and cut the power supply. Then remove the doorbell and tighten the screws holding the wires in place. Ensure the wire ends are not touching the base plate or each other. Finally, press the doorbell's button to test the chime. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Nest doorbell and get it ringing inside again.